Hello guys, good morning. I wanted to share something today with you all. This is sad news. What has happened? Actually, I broke my laptop last evening. I broke in the sense उसका जो display है वो ख़राब हो चुका है. And the worst part is I got that laptop just a week back और I spent almost a lakh on it. तो बहुत दर्द हो रहा है मुझे. I mean I don't know, I'm feeling so bad about it and yeah, I don't know how to go about it. So हुआ ये कि I was taking my son's studies and I got so much annoyed कि मतलब उसका जो toy था and he was fidgeting with the toy, so I was really irritated and I just threw the toy on the floor. I don't know how it bounced and it fell on the screen of the laptop, which was really very sad. एंड द स्क्रीन जो है एंड आई जस्ट चेक द स्क्रीन इफ़ एनीथिंग हैपन. आई थॉट उसमें जो वाटर था जो टॉय में, इट वाज अ वाटर टॉय काइंड ऑफ, तो मुझे लगा उसका जो वाटर है वो उसमें गया. तो आई वेंट टू चेक बट देयर वाज नो वाटर एनीथिंग, बट द स्क्रीन जो है वो डिस्प्ले जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ऑफ द डिस्प्ले क्रैक हो चुकी थी. नॉट क्रैक, आई डोंट नो व्हाट वाज दैट, बट इट वाज ऑलरेडी, द स्क्रीन इज़ गॉन. So let's see, I'll show you what has happened to my laptop and how sad it is. I don't know how to overcome this. I'm feeling very bad because एक हफ्ता भी नहीं हुआ अभी और and I got it from my work. I called up the agency, I mean from the place where I got it from Chroma. I called them yesterday only, so they told me come and meet us and get the laptop along with you so that we can figure out क्या हो सकता है उसके बारे में. So let's see. So yeah, I'll be going now with the laptop to them and show them what has happened to it, and I hope everything can be fixed. We have already taken the added some ADP, added accidental benefit or something, so we had already taken that and the warranty also, but I don't know whether this thing gets covered up into that. So it's a Lenovo ka laptop, so let's see. I hope they have something for it. Yeah, so I'll show you the laptop now. Yeah, I'll show you the laptop now. बहुत sad situation बन गई मेरे laptop की. I'm feeling so sad about it. Yeah, I'll just show you. Yeah, can you see the screen? मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे उसको थोड़ा सा क्रैक आ चुका है. जो हिट हो, आई मीन मैंने जो विच हैव थ्रोन, आई थिंक इट हैज़ इधर लग गया है वो. तो या आई होप यार, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, एक तो इतना महंगा लैपटॉप है, सेकेंडली इट इज़ सो वेरी न्यू और मुझे इतना पसंद आया था, मतलब वर्क इतना स्मूथली हो रहा था. द वर्क वॉज रियली गोइंग वेरी स्मूथली. या सो विल बी टेकिंग द लैपटॉप नाउ एंड लेट्स सी. आई होप सब ठीक हो जाए एंड आई गेट माई लैपटॉप बैक. या सो वी आर गोइंग नाउ और देखते हैं व्हाट दे से. सो वी आर ऑन द वे. हाँ, तो अभी हम वी रीच्ड क्रोमा, तो आई होप दे डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. लेट्स. तो या आई जस्ट कम आउट फ्रॉम हियर एंड अभी उन लोगों ने बोला है कि दे हैव ऑलरेडी कॉन्टेक्टेड, मतलब हम लोगों को टोल फ्री नंबर पे कॉल करने के लिए कहा. सो वी कॉल्ड एंड दे सेड दैट विल गिव यू काइंड ऑफ, मतलब एक 48 आवर्स टू 24 आवर्स. हमने कुछ प्रीमियम का भी वारंटी लिया था, सो दे विल वर्क ऑन दैट. लेकिन एज टुडे सैटरडे एंड टुमारो संडे, सो 2 दिन उसमें जाएंगे. तो लेट्स सी हाउ दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी. आई होप दे विल बी कवरिंग इट अप. उनकी सर्विस भी अच्छी है ऐसा लग रहा है. सो लेट्स सी, लेकिन अभी 2 दिन रुकना पड़ेगा. So right now the sales, I mean the technical guys come and he's repairing my laptop. मतलब I don't know whether I will get it repaired today or not, but I hope it happens today. बिकॉज अभी तक मुझे लगता है 6 days हो गया है फ्रॉम द टाइम इट ब्रोक एंड वी द नेक्स्ट डे ओनली वेंट टू क्रोमा. तो अभी now he's come after 6 days. Go to see, till now the service is good from Lenovo side. And again, this is not a sponsored video, it is just my genuine review on whatever has happened. So अब तक के लिए तो मतलब they came and now he just come and he just going through the full checking the system and all that. I don't know whether my display will be put today or no, so in few थोड़े टाइम के बाद maybe we might come to know what it is. So I hope it happens now and I get my laptop because I need it for my work. And yeah, so I'm just waiting and hoping that he's going to get it done today. Hey guys, so now I'm going to show you something. मैं भी पहले बार अभी देख मतलब I am also looking at it now. My laptop is repaired. That's what it's told to me. So I'll just check it now and I'll show it to you as well. Okay, there you go. So this is the laptop. Let me put it on. And it's done. I'm so very excited. As you can see, there is, I mean, he has changed the entire display. इसका डिस्प्ले पूरा चेंज किया है and it looks new. मतलब किधर भी I don't find anything. So it's a good news. Finally, my laptop is repaired and I was stressed and all the stress has been gone. Honestly, one thing I've learned from this experience is that problem jitna bhi bada lage, there is always a solution to it, and it's just that we need to stay calm and not panic, which actually I was doing. मैं बहुत इसके बारे में I just took a lot of stress about this and मैं बहुत panic भी हो चुकी थी because of this incident. But yeah, as it's always said that there's always a solution. So this I will take as a lesson, and yeah, I'm very happy today. So see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care.